Okay, I have this WD-40 in my hand, so I'll try to spray it on this card, and I'll try to clean these small minor pins. Then we'll try to reassemble this, and then we'll check. So I have completely cleaned this card and this strip here, and this strip, well, this has a small black lock. For the cleaning purpose, you need to pull this lock up, then you may pull out the strip, and then you may use any soft stuff to clean the strip. So I have assembled and put it on my wall back again. So let's check our Wi-Fi and other things. Are they working? I think it's working now, because I can see the clock here which shows that I think my wireless is connected. So let's check this out. I'll go. Yeah, it's working, connected to wireless. Earlier the wireless connection was not working, even though the Bluetooth, but now it seems that my Wi-Fi connection is working perfectly. So that's it. I'll see you in the next DIY video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.